Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, April 25th. I was looking for a bounce in these indices towards the end of the session, unchanged to higher. We're not seeing that here in the NASDAQ market and the other indices. We did get weaker, but I think it's somewhat overdone. Nothing telling us to be a buyer at these levels if we were short this market. I do look for further movement down in the Asia session. That's what you're seeing starting out right here, right now, that little red candle, and possibly in Europe. But we're approaching levels that if we're going to see buying, it should come back into play. So it'll be interesting to see how we finish up. I do look for an unchanged, a possibly higher move when it comes to the U.S. session. Let's talk about currencies and what we can see here with the euro. Let's open that up a little bit. There we go. There we are right there. Well, the euro did firm up, which means the dollar did get weaker. Do I look for this to continue? I think it's going to be tough fundamentally to see a strong move in this market, but we have to be on guard on that possibility, I think, for the euro. And in interest rates, I like the interest rates. I like the way they're behaving. I like the weakness that we see in the 10-year note, and I look for further downward pressure in that market. I think it's a healthy move, but over in bonds, it traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change in that market, just to give you an idea of what that represents, is $1,562.50, and I do look for continued downward pressure in that market. Gold, on the other hand, kind of a sideways move is the way it's setting itself up. Where we weren't looking for a dramatic move down, and I'm not looking for a dramatic move up. A sideways move here does make sense. Crude oil also backed off just a tad bit, and we're seeing right now Asia a little soft. Again, I don't look for a dramatic move down or up. I'm not real keen on this market at these levels, so backing off, to me, makes sense. And when it comes to the grains, well, soybeans, trying to find some buying. I do look for follow through to the upside, so look for an up day in that market. Corn traded above its bullish level, magnitude change $300 a contract, and I do look for a strong day in the corn market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.